Morning, guys. Good morning from beautiful Jamaica. So I am on my way to Kingston Wharf right now. You know the score. What's gonna happen? They never ever give me what I want on time, but today we hope that we get our barrel on time today. It's beautiful, it's nice and hot. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm on my way to the Kingston Wharf. So listen, I'll check in later. In the car, I don't know. We're gonna leave out. Let's hope we get this barrel on time today. Look how golden I look, like a beef patty again. Nice. I haven't had a patty since I got here. It's never too late. So guys, I am outside the bank. Went in to get in and look at the amount of people that is outside the bank. Oh my gosh, so much people. But we're in all that one right now.
What is our personal line, please?
I'm in Juici Patties right now, trying to get my patty. Let's see if I can get a beef patty and a chicken patty as well. We're gonna see. So I just grabbed my orange juice and my patties. Guys, I'm just waiting to leave. As I said, I'm in Juici. I am in Juici collecting my food, and I'm waiting to go to the toilet because there's a queue. Yeah. Right, look what I've got. I've got cocoa bread, and I've got patty. See my patty? There you go. For my barrel. Nothing new. I'm waiting for my barrel now. But the paperwork's. So now I'm sitting here waiting for my name to be called. And then I go through to collect my barrel. It's a little bit more straightforward because it's not summer, it's not winter time, it's summertime, so it's a little bit straightforward. Okay, let's see what I'm doing. It seems like everybody is cheering for Brazil in this country. Hi guys, so we are going to get some crab. I shouldn't be looking at crabs because I'm my star sign, I'm a crab. Okay, I'll take that one.
Okay.
Yeah, let's take a video of it.
You have to look at the curry before you.
Let me see the curry. I'm a Cancerian, so I shouldn't be eating crabs, but yeah. I'll take the curry one as well as one. We are getting crab.
What do we have?
We're getting crabs. Oh, we in Demby.
Are you sure you're on me?
They're selling crabs. Let's tag Crab Monday restaurant and bar. Just buy my crab and I'm going on to eat my crab now. So listen, I'll see you later. Yeah. Look at what I have right here. I have crab. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Crabs. And this is Big crab. Oh my god. Real life crab. No, I'm just joking, it's not live. I've got a crab. We're gonna eat it now. Okay guys, watch me. This is a crab. Shouldn't be eating crab. My star sign is I'm a Cancer, so I shouldn't be eating crab. But I'm a crab. That's my star sign. But it's a season in Jamaica, right? So I am enjoying what God has made for us to do, to eat crabs. I don't want to break my teeth, you know. So let me just see the claws. Claws. And then we have curry crab. This is the eyes. What's in here? I don't know if I want to eat what's in here. Give me that, please. I'm still eating crabs, guys. See the claws. It's really nice. I've been eating crab in almost 30 years. And I'm in Jamaica now, and it's crab season. So I'm happy that I have crab. Not me having crab, I buy crab. Really good. What's this? Bone. It's all bone anyway. Oh. Forgot about this one here.